Hey guys, it's Ben from the Plant Duo, and today we'll be doing a propagation with the watermelon Peperomia. We have a Ziploc bag, a 4-inch pot, or whatever pot you want, and with soil already, well draining, the Peperomia itself, rooting powder, or cinnamon. So first, well, this guy's a little droopy because he hasn't been watered, and we've been having constant heat wave in California. Just take a sanitized scissor and cut this guy to the bottom. And for this first propagation, you just have to place this in a glass jar or any other container you have and place it in there until your desired root length, and then transfer that into a well-draining soil. That's for the first propagation with just the stem and the leaf. For this propagation that we're doing today, you're able to cut this up to here. Cut it at least like 1/2 inch or a little bit less there, like so. And then we're going to cut the watermelon this way in half. So, like so. So with this, you just have to stick it into the soil. But first, I'm gonna use rooting hormone, or you can use cinnamon, because it also helps with that. You can also put the rooting hormone onto the cut stem, or cinnamon. And then you're gonna just stick it in there. Let's make some room. Correct. So it's gonna be like this on the side. We're now gonna place it inside a Ziploc bag. And gonna get a spray. So now you take your water and just, oh, it dropped. Just missed the Ziploc bag and the plant itself a little bit. And then just seal it, leaving like at least 1 inch of air, like so, to get inside. Yeah, you can put the date on this, whatever you want. This is a Ziploc bag, like if you have one of these, just put the date with a Sharpie. But I don't tend to look at dates, and that's it for that. And here I have a sample from what I did in June. And now it's September, and we have these little babies growing. Ta-da! The other one hasn't shown much progress, but the soil is moist. Keep it moist. Make sure that you'll see the air, that if there's still water vapor on the side of the plastic, the Ziploc bag, yeah, you'll create new watermelon babies. Typically these guys grow faster, but I left mine in the Ziploc bag because I prefer it there. But when you give it the right light conditions and the watering, it'll grow even faster. But for me, as of now, I don't have room in my apartment, so these guys will do fine at this size, and they're just so cute. Quick care tips for this Peperomia argyrius. What's the name? I cannot remember properly. Anyways, for this quick guy, treat it like a cactus or a cacti, more like a cacti for my personal experience, as I've killed at least one of these or two. And for lighting conditions, bright and direct light is the best. Medium light can be also, but no direct sunlight as the foliage can burn. And for optimal watering, you need to have this plant bone dry, like I said, like a cactus. And yeah, when you're watering, you'd like to see the water just drip down from the bottom really quick, like what a desert rose would need. And for a quick and easy soil substrate, you just use 70% perlite and 30% cactus mix. And that's it. Dry between watering, very prone to root rot. Avoid that problem. All right. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe. Support our channel. Support our Etsy shop. And yeah, have a good one. Happy planning.